Hello friends. Today we're looking at 10 crypto coins under $1 that could explode in 2025. These coins are affordable now, but with strong potential to grow big. Remember, this is not financial advice, just info for you to explore. Number 10, Zilliqa, ZIL. The price is still under $1. It uses sharding technology to make blockchain faster and scalable. Growing adoption in DeFi and enterprise solutions could push price up. Number 9, Siacoin, SC. Very low price now. Decentralized cloud storage platform competing with traditional cloud services. More people wanting secure, affordable storage can boost demand. Number 8, VeChain, VET. Low-cost coin with real-world supply chain use. Trusted by big companies for tracking and anti-counterfeit solutions. As adoption increases, price could rise quickly. Number 7, Harmony, ONE. Fast and cheap transactions. Connects different blockchains and supports apps. Growth in cross-chain DeFi will likely help this coin grow. Number 6, Basic Attention Token, BAT. Powers the Brave browser's attention reward system. Privacy-focused and user-friendly ad platform. Increasing Brave users can push BAT demand higher. Number 5, ChiliEyes, CHZ. Focuses on sports fan engagement with blockchain. Big sports team partnerships give it strong community backing. Popularity of fan tokens could drive price up. Number 4, Enjin Coin, ENJ. Supports gaming NFTs and blockchain assets. The gaming market is booming and ENJ is a leader here. More play-to-earn games means more use and demand. Number 3, The Graph, GRT. Helps index and organize blockchain data, like Google for crypto. Essential for many Web3 apps. Growth of decentralized apps means big potential for GRT. Number 2, Cardano, ADA. Smart contract platform with eco-friendly approach. Lots of development is happening in the Cardano ecosystem. More apps and users mean good chances for price increase. Number 1, Polygon, MATIC. Layer 2 solution to make Ethereum transactions faster and cheaper. As this coin connected with Ethereum, so boost of Ethereum, this coin price also rise. Used by many DeFi and NFT projects. As Ethereum grows, Polygon's demand keeps rising. So these are 10 crypto coins under $1 with strong potential to explode in 2025. Which coin are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, smash the like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time.